Hey guys, welcome back to another video. D-Wood here, and today we're gonna be doing a really cute, well actually I don't even know what we're gonna be doing. I just got some new stuff again and I want to show y'all. Before we get into anything, definitely be sure that you are subscribed. Go ahead and just thumbs up the video. Okay, so let's just go ahead and jump into it. So I got some new products from BLINC Cosmetics. I have their Rare Gem eyeshadow palette. I have their Amplified Tubing Mascara. I have their Eyebrow Mousse. And I also have their Eyeshadow Primer. Thank you so much to BLINC for sending over these products. I kind of have an idea of what I want to do. It's holiday season, of course. I've been seeing some really pretty holiday looks from all of my girlies that I subscribe to here on YouTube, Instagram, all of that. So I'm kind of drawing inspiration from all of their looks. Yeah, let me go ahead and show y'all this palette because she's cute. So the palette is like reflective. I think the palette is so gorgeous. So like I said, it's called Rare Gem. So there's just a whole bunch of like gemstone inspired shades in here. The palette has a huge mirror, so I can't hold this up for too much for obvious reasons. I'm gonna try to show you guys what the palette looks like, but it's so reflective, I have to be really careful. I also really wanna try this tubing mascara. I don't know if y'all like been into makeup for a long time, but back in the day, this mascara used to be the mascara, like it was all the rage on YouTube. Like I said, I do have their, eyebrow mousse. I got this in the shade Taupe. This typically is not a shade of eyebrow product that I would choose. I can tell just by the name, but I don't know what the actual color of the product looks like because I have not opened it. Okay, so I'm excited to go ahead and give this a try. Ooh, I already put too much. So I decided to do something more on the cool tone side because my brows are so dark and my hair is so light. And off rip, I like this. I like the color. The brush is really small. I really never do my brows on camera with y'all, but I was like, since I got this, I'll show y'all what I be doing. Nothing special though. Does it look crazy on camera? Hold on. Okay, so the color looks kind of weird off first impression. This is literally the color that I wanted. I wanted something to kind of lighten my brows, and I've actually been thinking about bleaching them. So I guess this is gonna like show me what it's like to have bleached brows. I don't want them to be like the color of my hair. I just wanted them to be a little lighter. Normally, y'all know I come with my brows on already because brows, man, they just take too long. They are so finicky. Like, it just takes a really long time to get my brows the way I like them. So I give up, honestly. I don't even really be studying it too much. But let's go ahead and carve this brow out. I've been using foundation to carve out my brow lately. Okay, so I am 100% satisfied with the way I carved that out. I'm actually really liking these brows. So the reason I decided to go more taupe versus like dark brown is because when my hair is white and it starts to grow out, my hair looks gray, and I just don't like the look of dark brows. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out how I like my brows, to be honest. My neighbor's dog is going berserk. It's annoying me and my homegirls. That dog. I swear that dog was not barking until I sat down trying to film. We got beef. I've been had beef with that dog though, and I think he know it. I'm happy with the brows. Like I said, very much an acquired taste, but let's go ahead and move on to these eyes. I think today's gonna be a good makeup day. I'm calling it, I'm speaking it into existence. Now, let's go ahead and try the eyeshadow primer. So I actually don't use eyeshadow primer on me, but on all of my clients, I always use eyeshadow primer. Kind of smells like maple syrup. Maybe I'm tripping. Maybe I'm hungry. I don't know, one of the two. Oh, it's like clear. You can't even see it. It's right here. Let's go ahead and pop on some primer. Ooh. So I know some girls like to use concealer, which is what I do on myself. But today we're gonna be doing eyeshadow primer. I primed the eye. Let's go ahead and jump into this really pretty palette. Like, The packaging, I've already ruined it, obviously. But I love stuff that looks like this. It just looks really glam to me. So I think I want to do something sultry, dark, glittery, and glam. Smoky, did I say that already? It's gonna be smoky regardless. If it's coming from me, it's gonna be smoky. I'm gonna start with the shade Red Jasper. And I think I'm gonna pop this. Oh God, this brush has glitter in it. Lord, Lord, Lord. Let me switch brushes. Also with eyeshadow primers, sometimes you have to let them kind of dry down before you start blending on top of them. I don't like to set my eyeshadow primer. I just go right over top of it with my eyeshadows. This is actually a good transition shade. I like this. All right, so now that I just have that one shade, I'm gonna dip into Axtonite. I don't think that's how you pronounce that. Axtonite, I don't know, girl, but that's what we using, and that's going kind of like the outer corner. Do I want to bring this? I think I want to do a halo eye because I never do. So I think I'm gonna bring this in my inner and outer corners. And I've been loving doing halo eyes on my clients lately. So let's just see what it gives on me. These blend really, really well. Like I'm not really having no issues with the blend. Nothing is popping up patchy. I love when stuff is just easy, you know? I think I'm gonna use that same brush and I'm gonna dip into Organite, child, or Organite. I don't know. I don't know. I think that's how you say it, Organite. And I'm gonna pop this everywhere I put the other shade. So I'm just going in between those two shades just to blow this out because I want the drama. It's holiday season. You gotta go for the drama. So I like to look straight on and then place my color so I know how high it truly is going. Like I said, I want this really, really smoky today. So there's a couple really, really pretty shimmer eyeshadows in this palette. Let me show you guys the ones I'm kind of torn between. So you can actually see where the eyeshadow primer is. The color kind of sticks a lot better. But these are the two shades that I'm torn between. This one is Golden Obsidian and this one is Serpentine. Okay, I think I'm gonna go for Serpentine. And that's gonna go in the center. You see how I left this whole little area blank? I'm gonna put the Serpentine there. And I am using my fingers. These two shades have like little glitters in it. And I think it'll just be best if you pick it up on your finger. Yeah, that's pretty. And I'm gonna bring it up kind of high. And I'm just using my finger to overlap those two inner and outer corner shades. That looks really, really pretty. That to me is the definition of a halo eye. Okay, so to smoke this out, I'm just gonna use a black shadow. I have to smoke this out. It literally would not be me if I didn't smoke it out. All right, so of course we're gonna apply lashes, but we're gonna go in with the Amplified Tubing Mascara first, just to kind of give the lash something to sit on. Y'all know how it go. I don't really have like thick and full real lashes. I'm really simple when it comes to mascara. As long as it's black and as long as it doesn't clump up my lashes in like an ugly way where you can see them all clumped up underneath my lashes, I'm cool with it. I have to try this out on a day where I'm not wearing lashes so I can really see what she's giving. But most times when I'm wearing makeup, I'm wearing lashes because funny story. So when I was like 13, 14, I clipped, like I literally took a scissor and chopped off my... No. We're gonna explore this mascara a little bit more when we get to the bottom lashes because I like my bottom lashes to show, so we're gonna see. But for now, I'm done with her. I'm gonna put her to the side. So the last time I used this, I didn't put a lot of it. And today I think I wanna just add a little bit more. Look at that glow. Okay, look at this glow. That's crazy. Next, we're gonna go ahead in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow. I'm glowed up today, y'all. We glowed up. This stuff is just so beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and start blending this in. So I'm actually very curious to know if we can get away with this as a foundation, which I know we can because last video I used this, it looked like a foundation. Is there a such thing as too glowy? Because we might be pushing it. I'm pushing it. I'm definitely pushing it. Ooh, girl. We pushing it to the limit with all this glow. But you can't tell me my skin don't look good. Like, acne what? Acne who? So one thing I'm noticing about incorporating that e.l.f. into my makeup routine, all of my discoloration is pretty much on my forehead, which works out because I use a foundation stick to do all the bronzing and stuff, and I don't really have much that I need to cover up like in the center of my face. So I feel like I could 100% get away with this as a foundation. That skin looks unreal. I also feel like for holiday parties and like for holiday season, the more glow the better. It just goes. It looks so good for holiday season. Like, pile on the highlighter, pile on the glow, pile on all the glitters and the shimmers. Do it up, babe, because it's the time of year. It's time. Okay, so to contribute to this hydrated, juicy skin look, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Chestnut. We e.l.f'd out today. So this brush that I'm using, I used it to apply the halo glow to my forehead. So I feel like this is gonna really help my under eye glow also. Okay, so my skin looks like way better than normal. Obviously I know why, because I like use the glow serum and like it's just very, very hydrated. I'm impressed. Like, I swear sometimes when I do my makeup, I be impressed and I be shocked that I have these capabilities. I'm looking good, but I want to kind of amp this up and highlight my under eye a little bit more. So I'm using the Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Warm Medium. This one is like white girl status, right? But we gonna blend her out real nice. So I'm gonna just add a little bit of this to the cheeks. Oh God, I just F something up. Okay, so I think I'm gonna blend this out a little bit better once I blend out the concealer. I don't like this shape and I just keep fucking stuff up. So let me just pause, get a brush, blend this out, and then go from there. So I know the makeup is not done yet, but this is the best my makeup has looked in a minute, like for real. We're gonna go ahead and set this face. I'm back with the Pat McGrath powder. Look how stunning. So I don't really want to set the rest of my face because I don't want to take away that glow. So for blush today, I didn't want too much. So I'm just going to go in MAC Raisin Classic, especially because I already have that e.l.f. blush underneath. Yeah, that did exactly what I needed it to do. I like my blush really high. I just feel like it makes me look really glam, number one. It flatters my cheekbones, my face shape, and it just snatches me. Like, get real, girl. Get real with yourself. I'm that girl. Okay, so for bronzer, I'm not even gonna tell y'all what I'm using because you probably already know. Patrick Star One Size Beauty Bronzing Trio. Also, when you don't set your face and you just go right in with like your powder bronzer or your powder blush, it really picks up. Oh my God, I look beat. This is what the holidays are all about. Forget the presents, forget the food. This what the holidays for. A good old beats, good old glam session. So I don't know if y'all know, but my birthday is the day after Christmas, December 26th. Big Capricorn energy. Child, my doggone camera battery is on its last leg. So let me hurry up. I'm gonna do a little bit of baking. We're just doing a little bake, just a little. I don't want to take away my glow too much. Really mainly so when I do my under eye eyeshadow, if I kind of mess up, I can just easily sweep it away. All right, so for the bottom lash line, I'm gonna use the same colors. The Accentite, which was that dark, the medium brown. I'm using that to kind of just give the under eye some definition first. And then I'm gonna take the brown that we used in the crease and use that to smoke out the edges. And then we're gonna use the darkest brown right on the lash line. All right, so I'm gonna dip into my matte black that I used on the top. This is gonna go in my waterline. I don't know why I'm sitting here moving slow as molasses, knowing good and well my camera is to die. I'm gonna actually use this shade here in the Juvia's palette to add another blush color because why not? And I kind of want that pink under eye effect. Let's go ahead and wipe off this lip. I don't even know what lip we're doing today. I'm gonna use Chestnut today from MAC. OG classic. Let's do Pixie liner. Just to kind of deepen it a little bit more. See how it just kind of gives the lip a little bit more dimension? So I don't really know what color lipstick I want to do, so let me figure that out and I'm gonna come right back with a little bit of charge on the camera too. All right, so I did go ahead and pop on some lashes and a little bit more mascara just to kind of blend the two together. Still couldn't figure out what lip combo I wanted to do today, hence why I have 3 lip glosses and 3 lipsticks. I'm thinking, should I go like the nude route and just do something really, really light with the dark liner? Or should I do a lipstick, like a really nude lipstick? This used to be like my favorite lipstick. When I didn't know what to do, I would just do this. This is Boo from Morphe. Should I do something cool toned? Like, what do y'all think? I wish y'all were here to help. Should I do something like pinky nude? Let's go pinky nude. This is actually originally what I wanted to do, and I wanted to put this gloss on top if I needed to. So let's see. This is Blissful from Lucky Chick. So let's see. What do y'all think? I really wish y'all were here to help me because I don't know which direction. Should I do a gloss? I think I'm gonna add a little bit of gloss. This is a gloss from my lip gloss line that I used to have. And I'm really just trying to finish up these glosses, honestly. Let me just go like this and call it a day, child. I did all that to end up with this basic ass lip combo. I mean, it's not bad, but is it like... Actually, I do think I like it. So I guess we're just gonna roll with this. Cause honestly, with a look like this, a lot of stuff would look good. So I'm not even gonna fight myself and do all that back and forth. This is the lip combo for today. Let's go ahead and set this face, girl. Oh, look at that glow, how it just came through. I actually really do like that brow gel from BLINC. It dried down. Like typically, I do the glue in my brows, but this gave me that same effect. Like, I don't know if y'all could tell, but the brows are not moving. I like that. Let's do a little bit more mascara on them bottom lashes, baby. Okay. So this is my first holiday look of the season. I just can't stop looking in that viewfinder because baby. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Thank you again, BLINC Cosmetics, for sending over these products. I think my favorite products out of the 4 would have to be the eyebrow mousse and the eyeshadow primer. I feel like I'll definitely be picking these 2 back up again. These 2 right here, girl. You know when something is so good, you just gotta take a look at it and make sure you reading it right and make sure you understood. Girl, my face looks so good I'm stuttering, child. That's all I have for y'all today. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I know I said that before, but I just can't thank y'all enough. Go ahead and subscribe, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the look. Give the video a big thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in the next video.